Hello. In our busy, modern lives, it is remarkably easy to carry stress around with us. Often we don't even notice it building up inside our bodies. This tension can live in our shoulders, our jaws, our backs, and it can affect everything from our mood to our sleep quality. Today, I want to guide you through a wonderfully simple yet powerful technique to combat this. It's called progressive muscle relaxation. The idea is straightforward. You systematically tense a specific muscle group, hold that tension for a few moments, and then release it completely. This process helps you become more aware of the difference between tension and relaxation. When you deliberately tense your muscles, you are temporarily increasing the physical stress in that area. Then, when you let go, the release feels more profound. This physical release sends a powerful signal to your brain to calm down, helping to lower your heart rate and ease your mind. It doesn't require any special equipment, just a few minutes of your time and a quiet place to focus on yourself. So, let's begin this short journey together. Think of it as a 5-minute holiday for your body and mind. The goal is not perfection, but simply to pay attention to the sensations within you. There is no right or wrong way to feel during this exercise. Just allow yourself to be present and follow along. Before we begin the exercise itself, let's take a moment to prepare. Finding the right environment, even for just 5 minutes, can make a world of difference. Try to find a quiet spot where you are unlikely to be disturbed. Perhaps the corner of your bedroom, a comfortable chair in your living room, or even your office with the door closed. The key is to minimize interruptions so you can fully immerse yourself in the process. You want to signal to your mind and body that this time is dedicated solely to your relaxation and nothing else. It's about creating a small sanctuary for yourself. Now consider your position. You can lie on a bed, recline on a sofa, lie on a mat on the floor, or sit in a comfortable chair. If you choose to sit, try to keep your feet flat on the floor and your back supported. Let your hands rest gently in your lap or on the arms of the chair. Loosen any tight clothing, like a belt or a tight collar. Let's now turn our attention to our breath. The breath is a powerful anchor that can help steady the mind. We are not trying to change it just yet, but simply to notice it. We will begin our journey at the very top of your head. Bring your awareness to your face, forehead. Now, on your next breath in, gently tense the muscles here. Raise your eyebrows as high as you can, creating wrinkles. Hold this tension. Feel the tightness. Now breathe out, release it all completely. Let your forehead become smooth and soft. Next, move down to your eyes. Squeeze your eyes shut tightly. Clench your jaw, bringing your teeth together. Feel the tension in your cheeks and around your mouth. Hold it. Now, on your next exhale, let it all go. Relax your eyes, heavy and soft. Let your jaw hang loose, lips parting slightly. Feel warmth and heaviness spreading through your entire face. Bring attention to the neck and shoulders. Inhale. Pull your shoulders up toward your ears. Feel tightness build across the tops of your shoulders and into your neck. Hold it, noticing the strain. Exhale. Let your shoulders drop down completely. Feel them sink, heavy and relaxed. Imagine the day's burdens sliding off your shoulders. Now focus on arms and hands. Right arm. Make a tight fist and tense from hand through forearm into upper arm. Let's continue our journey downwards, bringing our awareness now to your chest and your back. On your next inhalation, I'd like you to gently arch your back, pushing your chest forward slightly. This will create a mild tension in the muscles of your upper back. Be careful not to strain yourself, just a gentle arch is enough. Now, as you exhale, release the arch and sink back into your chair or the floor. Feel your back muscles soften and spread out. Now let's focus on your stomach and abdomen. As you take your next breath in, pull your stomach muscles in tight, as if you are bracing for an impact. Make your abdomen hard and firm. Hold this tightness for just a few seconds, continuing to breathe as best you can. Then on a long, slow exhale, let it all go. Allow your stomach to soften completely. We will now move our attention down into your legs, starting with your right leg. As you breathe in, gently tense the muscles in your right thigh, calf, and foot. You can do this by pointing your toes and tightening your entire leg from the hip down to the ankle. Hold that tension for a moment. Now, as you breathe out, release it all at once. Let your leg go completely limp and heavy. Repeat on the left side. On your next in-breath, tense the muscles all the way down your left leg. Tighten your left thigh, calf, and point the toes. Now, on your out-breath, let it all go. Release the tension completely and allow your left leg to become as heavy and relaxed as your right. You have now released tension from the top of your head all the way down to the tips of your toes. Take a moment now to simply be still. Your entire body has gone through a cycle of tensing and releasing. Just notice how you feel. Pay attention to the sensation of heaviness, warmth, and stillness. This simple 5-minute exercise is a skill. Like any skill, it becomes more effective with practice. Try to set aside just 5 minutes each day, before sleep, during a lunch break, or whenever you notice tension building. As you become more familiar with the technique, you may not need the entire sequence. You can tense and release the specific area that feels tight. This is the real power of progressive muscle relaxation. It builds your awareness so you become an expert in your own body. When you are ready, you can begin to bring your awareness back. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a slightly deeper breath. Slowly open your eyes when it feels right. Take a moment before you jump back into your day. Carry this feeling of calm with you. You can return to it whenever you need to. You've done a wonderful thing for yourself today. Be proud. Thank you for practicing with me.